Hi, everyone. Welcome to another Testimonial Thursday. I'm Cindy Ross with Life Wellness Forever, and today I want to share a story that really resonated with me. A reminder of just how powerful it is when we test, not guess, and when we choose to heal from the inside out. Bryan. Bryan came to me exhausted, both physically and emotionally. He was dealing with daily bloating and gut pain, severe fatigue that hit him like a wall, he said, by midday. Brain fog so intense that he had trouble focusing at work, and a growing list of food sensitivities that seemed to change every week. He was doing all the things, eating clean, avoiding gluten, exercising, but still felt inflamed, foggy, and frustrated. He kept saying, "I don't feel like myself anymore, Cindy." So we decided to run a series of functional labs, including one specific test that turned out to be a game changer, Zonulin. Bryan's zonulin levels came back significantly elevated, a clear sign of leaky gut and a compromised intestinal barrier. This wasn't just a gut issue. It was the root of his immune system overreacting, his inflammation rising, and his entire system being stuck in fight or flight. And the truth is, this wouldn't have even shown up on your standard labs. Without this test, we'd still be guessing. So from there, we built a personalized protocol. We focused on gut repair from the inside out. Bryan began using what I highlighted on Supplement Sunday called Megaspore Biotic to rebalance his gut, and it also includes spore-based strains. L-glutamine is something else that we use along with zinc to seal and heal the gut lining, anti-inflammatory nutrition support, and targeted lifestyle shifts to reduce stress, restore sleep, and calm his nervous system. Within just a few weeks, the change was so noticeable. His energy started coming back, the bloating reduced, his food sensitivity list stopped growing. He told me he feels like someone that turned the lights back on in his brain. Today, Bryan is thriving. His repeat labs showed his zonulin levels dropped by 40%, but more importantly, he feels like himself again. He's back to the gym. His mental clarity is sharp. He's enjoying meals again without fear. And he's become an advocate for gut health, even sharing his story with us to inspire others in his family and community. This is why we do what we do. When you find the why behind your symptoms, you unlock the ability to truly heal, not mask, not manage, but transform. So if you're out there feeling stuck, exhausted, or overwhelmed, just know your story can change too. You're not broken, you just need the right map. Thanks for tuning in to Testimonial Thursday. I'm Cindy Ross, and as always, I'm here to walk this journey with you. And if you heard the snoring in the background, that is Vita. She is my assistant today, and she is snoring at 2:24, so maybe we need to check her zonulin levels. Have a great day.